So I just got in my new Dalian grill brush. This is a new improved model. I'll show you what I mean. Just like the old one, it has the 360 spinner, so you can hang it on a hook and it'll turn. But here we go. This is the new thing. Now, if you've seen the previous models, this is the same. The handle is the same. You just take the handle and put it on here, tighten that down, there you go. What's different about this particular one is they now come with a metal scraper. So it's those hard to get places you can get in the inside the grill grates with this edge right here, and you can scrape those hard to get pieces of meat or whatever that's left on the grate. Now the sponge does a great job, don't get me wrong, but there are some jobs that are a little too much for just a sponge and you need a scraper. The new improved model has this scraper, and just like the other one, you take the sponge, you place it on the head. It has little clips right here on the sides. You just squeeze those in, snap it into place. You're good to go. We'll put the 360. Let me show you what this is. If you have like an S-hook and somewhere to hang your brushes and other accessories from, you can hook that right there. Hang it on there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it just hangs on there. You could even hang it on your grill, like that. And since I'm over here, I'll show you what I'm talking about, the steel brushes. See, this is my old brush. See those steel bristles? That possibly could get into your meat. That would not be good. And what you want to do is you want to heat up your grill to like 400 degrees or so. That way it loosens that hard to get off grease and grime that's on there. And then wet your sponge with water and just rub it. Let me show you how to do that. Once you get your grill up to at least 400 degrees, right now this one's sitting at about 460, 455. A little warm, but that's okay. So you'll want to get your grill brush and a little tub of water. That way you can soak it in there, open your grill up. And like I said, those hard to reach places, like, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there's a little bit of grit. You can take this and clean that off. It's not gonna be everywhere, just little places here and there. It looks pretty good now. A little bit of effort, doesn't take much. Now, you want to take your sponge and soak it in some water, real good. And then take your brush and just clean it. Clean those grates. Be sure and keep a lot of water on it. That way it doesn't get overly hot and it helps clean it better. Clean that off and you'll be in good shape. And again, that's the Dalian grill brush. See, it doesn't have those metal bristles. That is excellent, ideal. Got it cleaned up a little bit. Now let's get to cooking.